Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide fillable text field using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF from the Foxit PDF Editor and I will hide these two of this fillable text box. Now click on this form option and select here, go down and select annotation and drag your mouse and select your text boxes. Now click right button and select properties option. And properties dialog box, go general option and here you will find this from field option and select here you can hidden or you can hidden but printable. I'll hidden only. Now select close. Now click on this hand option and see this and there is a fillable PDF from fillable text box. See this and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.